Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm that your iPad supports this Apple Pencil and that Bluetooth is on. Next, physically expose the pencil's connector or align it to the iPad's magnetic strip. This triggers pairing. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Select the pencil name to pair. You'll see a confirmation and battery indicator. This tells you pairing succeeded and shows charge level. If pairing fails, make sure battery isn't dead and try again. Now you configure how the pencil behaves. Open Notes or a drawing app and draw lines to test pressure, tilt, and palm rejection. This informs how you hold the tool. Then go to Settings, right arrow Apple Pencil to assign double tap actions or shortcuts if your model supports them. Make sure you charge the pencil fully before extended sessions. This prevents intermittent disconnects. Once calibrated, practice quick strokes and slow shading to understand responsiveness, because knowing the tools, finish by establishing good habits. Store the pencil attached to the iPad's magnetic charger, or in its case to keep it charged and ready. Make sure iPad OS is up to date, because updates improve compatibility and fix connection bugs. If the pencil becomes unresponsive, first check battery level and reconnect in Settings. If that fails, turn Bluetooth off and on, then restart the iPad. As a last step, remove the pencil from Bluetooth devices and pair again. That usually clears persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.